You left like 7 hours ago, but still impressed by you. 'Cause I don't think that you felt it too. Now I'm parked up on a Monday, we haven't talked since Thursday. Wonder what you're doing all night. Yeah, you're messing my pride. Why can't I be you? Of the way you moved on in half a day. I'm jealous of the girl who ended up with your last name. But I swear you'll never see that day. I know it's better for me to hide it. I live with thoughts, I try to fight it, but damn, I'm so unlucky, so damn lonely. Would you you might even wonder why Sitting here alone in my dorm room. You left like 7 hours ago, but still impressed by you. 'Cause I don't think that you felt it too. Now I'm parked up on Monday, we haven't talked since Thursday. Wonder what you're doing all night. Yeah, you mess with my pride.